Imagine turning a single image into a full-blown NSFW video, or transforming a Hollywood movie scene into an anime-style 3D animation, lip-synced, stylized, and upscaled to perfection. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Nope, it's real, and it's all happening right now with just one tool. So, this is Sam from Simplifi AI, and I'm about to show you a platform called Nim Video that's combining all the top models, Kling 2.0, Veo, Minimax, WAN, and putting insane creative power at your fingertips. Generate NSFW content, restyle scenes into any format, make your characters talk, animate with consistency across frames, and upscale your videos all in one place. Let's dive straight in. Before we dive in, quick shout out to Exotic Tropical Birds, one of our most active subscribers. Want to be next? Just drop a comment with hashtag Simplifitribe, and you might hear your name in the next video. Alright, so click the link I've left for you down in the description. That'll take you straight to the Nim Video homepage, and yep, it gives you free credits to try it out, plus an exclusive discount, only for my followers. Now, once you land here, the homepage honestly speaks for itself. Almost every major model is built in, Kling Pro, Minimax, and more, all ready for you to create super high quality videos straight from text, or even just an image. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see all the different options this tool offers. These are all real creative tasks that you can do in one place. And yes, we're going to cover every single one of them step by step in this video. So let's get started. First of all, just click on the Try Now button up here and go ahead and sign in using your Gmail ID. Super quick. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Nim Video dashboard, clean, minimal, and really easy to navigate, even if this is your first time using a tool like this. Now, up here at the top, click on the Create button, and boom, you'll see all the powerful tools available for you to play with. You can add sound to your videos, restyle any video into a different format, upscale it to high resolution, and yes, you can even do lip sync here. Don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through each of these step by step in this video. Next, head over to the Explore tab. This is where you'll see amazing videos created by other users. Click on any video you like, and it will show you the exact prompt and settings that were used to generate that video. And here's the best part. You can reuse that same prompt instantly by clicking this button. Or if you want, you can tweak it and explore more versions. Super handy when you're getting started. Now head over to the Spaces tab. This is where you'll find all the top trending creations, like POV style videos that are blowing up on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. People are literally making money by uploading these types of videos, and here you can see exactly how they made them. The best part? You can grab any of these prompts, just like I showed you earlier, and use them to create your own version of that video. Super useful if you're just starting out and want to learn by example. Alright, that was a quick overview of what Nim Video offers. Now let's actually start creating our first video and walk through the entire process. So go back to the homepage, and right at the top you'll see this big prompt box. This is where all the magic starts. We'll begin by creating an image first. Then we'll move on to generating videos, adding lip sync, testing out restyles, and more. Step by step, I'll show you how everything works. Start by typing your text prompt right inside that box. Describe exactly what kind of image you want. Then click the Add button. That's where you can fine-tune your result by choosing settings like clothing style, background type, and other details to match your vision. And here's a powerful trick. Use the Describe option. Just upload an image or video, and Nim Video will generate a prompt for you based on that file. Super helpful when you don't know what to write. You can also upload your own character as a reference. Just click right here to drop your image in. This is perfect if you want your output to follow a specific style or look. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll see all the available models right below the prompt box. Just choose the one you want to work with. Some of these even support NSFW content, so if that's what you're working on, make sure to pick a model that allows that. Once that's selected, go ahead and choose your aspect ratio, 16:9, square, whatever you need. And if you want to maintain visual consistency across outputs, don't forget to use a specific seed. We've talked about this before. Seed is super important for getting repeatable results. And once you've got all your settings in place, just hit that Generate button. Nim Video will create your high-quality image in a few seconds. That's it. Your first creation is ready. Now, let's turn that image into a full video. Just click here to use the image you created, or you can start fresh by typing a new text prompt. Everything else works the same way. Right below the prompt box, click on the Video tab. This is where you'll see all the top video generation models: Kling Pro, Kling 2.0, Veo 2, and others. Just hover your mouse over any of these models and you'll see a description pop up. That tells you exactly what that model is best at, whether it's cinematic motion, stylized animation, or NSFW output. Pick the model that fits your style. Click Generate, and just like that, Nim creates a high-quality video for you automatically. Want to see exactly how it was done? Click right here, and boom, all the settings are revealed. Super handy if you want to recreate or tweak something. Now, let's say your video looks good but you want it in higher resolution. No problem. Click on the Upscale option right here. From there, select the model you want to use, then choose your target resolution, maybe 2K or 4K depending on what you need. Click Generate, and your video gets upscaled automatically. automatically in just a few seconds. You can even add sound to your video. Just click on this option, then describe what kind of sound you want, or let the AI generate something fitting. Click Generate, and Nim will add it directly into your video. That's it. Now let's bring our character to life with lip sync. Click right here on the lip sync option. And here's something cool. You'll notice a small delete icon in almost every section. Clicking that lets you upload your own video if you want to apply these features to something custom. All of these same tools are also available up top under the Create button, just like I showed you earlier. Now, to lip sync, just type your text. Choose a pre-made AI voice, or even upload a sample voice to match the vibe. And if you've already recorded your own voiceover, no problem. Click here to upload that directly. When everything's set, hit Generate, and just like that, your animated video is lip-synced and ready to go.
Want to learn how to use AI like a pro? Subscribe to Simplifi AI.
Now, let's check out some extra tools that make Nim Video even more powerful. Click on More Tools, and right here, you'll see two great options. You can completely restyle your video into something new, and even apply slow motion to your clip. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how the restyle works in the next step. Here's one more powerful feature I want to show you. It's called Keyframing. Click on it, and this interface will pop up. You'll see options to upload two images, your starting frame and your ending frame. This is perfect when you want your video to start from a specific point and end at a specific scene. It's super useful for making consistent, smooth transitions, especially if you're building videos where each clip needs to flow into the next. Just upload your first image and last image, hit Generate, and here are the results. You'll see how the animation follows a natural path from beginning to end. Really useful for storytelling. If you want a full deep dive tutorial on how to use keyframing, restyling, or any other feature in Nim Video, just let me know in the comments. And hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting separate videos on each of these very soon. Now, let's say you've got a cinematic style video or even a clip from a famous movie, but you want to convert that into a different style like anime, animation, or even full 3D graphics. You can do that right here in this tool. And just like that, you've created a whole new niche to work with and upload across different platforms. To do it, click on Restyle Video and upload your video file. If you have a specific style in mind, just type that into the prompt box. Or if not, pick from the available styles here. You'll see a huge list: graphics, 3D, animation, anime, and a lot more. Choose the one that fits your vision. Then decide whether you want to restyle and improve your video or completely restyle and replace it. Once you've done that, hit Generate, and your restyled, eye-catching video is ready to blow up. So that wraps up all the powerful features available inside this tool. But hey, if you want a focused tutorial on anything specific, like using space for POV style videos, mastering the keyframe option, or anything else we covered today, drop a comment and let me know. Now it's your turn. The link's right there in the description. Use it to grab your free credits and that special discount just for you. Go explore the tool and start creating magic. Take your first step into the world of AI with Simplifi, where learning meets earning. If you found value today, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you're always first to learn with us. Comment Simplifitribe to let me know you're on this journey. And who knows, you might get a shout out in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next power-packed video.